Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2020 Toyota RAV4 XL. This is the 2.5 litre self-charging petrol hybrid model. The XL is the top of the range vehicle, so you have full black leather interior, rear camera, cross traffic alert, front and rear sensors, and much more. This particular vehicle is finished in the silver blade metallic paintwork. It has had the same owner from brand new and has got a full Toyota service history. I'll take you inside the car now. You can see there it's done 33,016 miles, which is about average for this age of car. It's coming up to 3.5 years old now. It's on a 20 plate, so that's not too bad at all. You've got your centre infotainment screen with your navigation. If we pop it into reverse, you'll see the rear camera as well come up. Really handy feature. It is four-wheel drive as well, this model, which is great. It's got blind spot monitoring as well, dual zone climate control, heated front seats. Your driver's seat is electric as well, with the memory function on the door here, so you can set your favourite position and then always have that remembered on the car, which is great, especially if there's multiple drivers. You've got the full black leather interior, which is very comfortable and really easy to clean. Really nice. You've got two sets of ISOFIX points in the rear as well, electric tailgate. I'll just quickly show you service history. You can see there that was the PDI, or pre-delivery inspection. Toyota Blackburn, and it's had all of its services through them as well. It was first serviced on the 9th of June 2021 at 8,105 miles at Toyota in Blackburn. It was then done at 16,691 miles on the 26th of May 2022, same place. And then most recently it was done on the 18th of May 2023 at 26,119 miles at Toyota Blackburn as well. So that's really great. You've got that service history. We will give it a service as well before you do take it, and it will get a full multi-point inspection through our Honda workshops just over there by our Honda trained technicians. Of course, as you can imagine, Japanese hybrid vehicles, they are used to them, and then the checks are still very rigorous no matter which. So really good, but it's a great vehicle. Being one owner from new and having the full Toyota history makes it really a desirable car. I'll just show you the boot now. Here's the electric tailgate, which is great. Self-charging hybrids are so easy as well. You don't need to do anything, just drive it and you benefit from that electrification. You've got the spare wheel, which is great. Most newer vehicles, especially hybrid vehicles, don't have this anymore. They've normally got a tyre inflation kit, so the fact that this has got a spare wheel is excellent and just gives you really a lot of peace of mind with the vehicle. Electric tailgate's a really great feature too. So overall it's absolutely stunning. This RAV4 XL top of the range model, four-wheel drive, self-charging petrol vehicle. We've already had a few inquiries on it already, so it is a very popular car. If you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can give us a call if you wish on 01539 760 371, and we'll be able to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching this short video on our RAV4. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village out of Honda. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome too. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you very shortly.